Aalu Chukauni. Quick and easy recipe. Can be served with baara or rice. Boil and cut potatoes in small pieces. Take few scoops of yogurt, unsweetened. Add water to make it lump-free. Add salt. Add Kashmiri chili. Mix them well. Yogurt mix should be nearly double the potatoes. Add boiled potatoes in yogurt mix and stir gently. Heat mustard oil. Add fenugreek seeds. Add cumin seeds, optional. Add fresh cut chilies and dried chilies. Mix well. Add turmeric powder after heat is turned off. Add little turmeric powder. Add oil mix onto potatoes. Give it a gentle mix. Add finely chopped onions. Add chopped coriander. Add Sichuan pepper. Again, give it a gentle mix for consistency. Now, it's ready to serve. Baara tastes better with this Aalu Chukauni. You can also try with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.